I drove it around for a little while. Everything was fine. I replaced all the cam seals and the crank seals, but I got this mysterious oil leak, and it's all shiny and oily, but the belt doesn't have any oil on it, just oil slung everywhere else, and it was all oily. The air conditioner's oily and disgusting, and it wasn't that way. I'm gonna start the car up. This oil leak gives a perception that it's coming from the power steering or the power steering lines. It made everything a mess over there. It just made a mess of everything, and it looks like it's power steering, but it's not. It's the VTC gears. I did a lot of research online and on YouTube to try to figure out and track down what was this leak and where was this leak coming.
You can see how oily that damn alternator is. I think it's that damn VTC right there.
Trouble with these cam gears. So I thought only the passenger side VVT was leaking, but it turns out, like, look, you see that? That gear's busted, and this gear's busted too. These are other cams that I got. See how they not moving? These aren't supposed to move. They're supposed to be stationary. They're not supposed to spin like that, so the oil leaks out of the VVT gears. So I'm gonna put these in and see if it stops the leak. This change successfully cured the leak. It's no longer leaking. You can't see any oil on the coolant hoses or anything.
Funny thing is, I changed the VVT, and now the car is running smoother. Still seems like a little bit of hesitation. Still think I gotta change the injectors, but picked up a new one of these. Sound pretty good.
Although I used those cam gears for my other motor, I would recommend that you go to BDE to get some rebuilt cam gears. As I continued to drive the car, those gears got noisier and noisier and noisier, even while running the Lucas oil stabilizer.
So these are my gears. We're gonna open those up. And with this, the warning, do not disassemble this sprocket by any other than BOD representatives. It will void the warranties associated with this product. So, here they are. Come to America, guys. Come to America.
I'm showing you these BDE gears is so that you will just buy these gears in the beginning. Because I did put those gears on the car. I ended up replacing them. So if you just do it right the first time, you won't be in there a second time, a third time, or a fourth time, taking your timing belt off, taking the front of the engine off, and retiming your engine. What's up, YouTube? This is Wig Z. I want to talk to you a little bit about the reason why content creators are constantly asking you to like and subscribe to their channels. Well, the YouTube algorithm works based on popularity. And as content creators, we want to make sure you get the content that you want to receive. So please just keep hitting that like and subscribe button. And I tell you, us as content creators will really appreciate that. That's all I really wanted to say. Peace.